Hi, this is Sarah from Max Reviews, and today we are reviewing the Xbox controller. The Xbox Core Wireless Gaming Controller is a refined version of its predecessor, delivering an excellent balance of performance, design, and comfort. It features a matte finish with ergonomic grips, ensuring that long gaming sessions remain comfortable. The controller is slightly smaller than the previous Xbox One controller, making it more accessible to a wider range of hand sizes. One of its standout features is the improved D-pad, now designed with a more responsive and tactile feel, which is great for precise inputs during fast-paced games. The triggers and bumpers have a textured grip, offering better control and feedback, especially during intense moments in shooters or racing games. Connectivity is also top-notch, with Bluetooth support, making it easy to pair with a variety of devices beyond the Xbox Series XS consoles, such as PCs and mobile devices. Plus, it comes with a share button for capturing and sharing gameplay clips with ease, a feature that was missing in the earlier models. Battery life is solid, offering long hours of playtime with AA batteries or a rechargeable battery pack. The controller is also compatible with Xbox Cloud Gaming, making it a great choice for gamers who want to take their experience on the go. While it's a bit basic in design, it's also reasonably priced and widely regarded as one of the best controllers for the money, delivering a premium feel without the premium price tag. If you're looking for a reliable, well-built controller that won't break the bank, the Xbox Core Wireless Gaming Controller is worth considering.